Hi everyone, I'm Shreya. My journey with life has started 3 months ago, where I was initially 77 kgs and presently I'm weighing at 68, lost 9 kgs with a good inch loss. I have taken therapies like lipo and cryo 4D, which were very good and great improvement in my inch loss. And my dietitian planned my diet in such a way where I never felt like I was on a strict diet. She maintains and balances my diet every week for every session perfectly, and the services over here, the team over here, for every massage sessions, they give a good suggestions and good environment where we can feel friendly and joyful, where the sessions are very funny and the team is excellent. This, and especially thank Subhashini ma'am for this, and she is such a sweetheart. Thank you life, thank you for this journey. I recommend everyone to join life. Thank you.